So I ran across an interesting situation in Lightroom. So let's go to a photo. If I click on this photo or double click on it with my mouse, it opens it up. If I click once, it makes it a little bit smaller. I click once, it makes it a little bit bigger. If I click 2 times, it shrinks it. But if I go to a movie and I click on it, it highlights it. If I double click on it, it opens it up. But then if I double click again, nothing happens. Nothing happens. So how do you get this to minimize again? Well, it's pretty easy. You've got to go down here. And if you notice, this has got a big screen. So that's one photo. This puts it into a grid. If I click on this, it's going to bring it back and minimize it. And so bam, there we are. We're minimized. If I go here, it does this. it kind of like makes it into one big conglomerate of stuff. But I kind of like this grid better because I can see everything. I can see if I need to check it. I can do these little doohickeys here. I can give it 10 star or 5 stars. I can check it, or I can exit like I don't like it. So that's how you solve that problem. One more time, double click here, double click on a photo, goes away. Double click on a movie, comes up, double click, doesn't go away. Got to come down here, click this. Then I'm back to my grid. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use Lightroom. Peace out.